Meet Blush Pink, one of Bobilon's softest and most charming shades. Delicate, fresh, and full of warmth, Bobilon T-shirt yarn is made from 100% new cotton jersey, giving you a soft, smooth, knot-free strand with an even thickness from beginning to end. It's the perfect color for feminine accessories, cozy home decor, and beautiful handmade gifts. Blush Pink pairs effortlessly with both soft neutrals and vibrant shades from the Bobilon color collection, giving you endless possibilities to create unique color combinations. Choose from 55 beautiful permanent colors. Every Bobilon color is available in multiple yarn thicknesses, so you can simply select the perfect size for your next project while keeping the exact shade you love. The yarn is easy to work with, holds its shape beautifully, and helps every project achieve a clean, professional finish that you'll enjoy for years to come. Choose your favorite color, pick the perfect thickness, and create something beautiful with Bobilon.